Hello, Jason Wydro here with W3 Developing LLC, Dental Management University, and Golden Dental Marketing. Today I'm going to walk you through a basic tutorial on what a consumer does when they're out searching for a dentist. This is a very basic version of this tutorial. I'll be coming out with a more advanced one later. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. Okay, so the first thing we want to think about, what's a possible phrase someone's going to search for? Let's say a mother at 11 o'clock at night is finishing and wrapping up her work for the day, and then she's going to search for a dental practice for the family. Maybe they're new to town. Maybe a bad experience with an existing dentist. Or maybe just interested in seeing who's out there. Other options. Okay, so in this demo, basically what I'm searching is family dentist in San Jose, and you can see the results that are coming up here. Now it's immediately evident there's a couple things I want to point out. Anything that has a ad designation, AD, is a paid advertisement. You can generally see those at the top and bottom of the page, down here too. And also, sometimes you'll see them in this section. This section, by the way, is referred to as a 3-pack. And down below here, these are considered and called organic results. The 3-pack is also organic, but it's related specifically to the map, as you can see here. So you could say organic map results and just your run-of-the-mill organic results. Both of which, by the way, are good to have. Okay, so back to the scenario we were talking about. So, searching in San Jose for a dentist, scrolling down the page. Okay, this looks enticing. And sometimes consumers see the ad and go, well, that's bought and paid for, so let's see what's below. And as you can see, we've got 3 dentists showing up in this pack here, in this group. One of them, by the way, which doesn't even have a website. You see that there? A lot of consumers are going to immediately discount this because they want more information about the practice. Now, of course, you can click on this and get more information. Let's do that. Okay, well, here we go. So we got a picture of somebody's license plate. That's probably not a good idea. See, this doesn't really tell me anything about the practice. I don't like that. As a professional dental marketer, I am going to say you don't want these kind of photos immediately representing you. Let's jump back over. Let's go to this one and see what comes up. Well, in this one, very interesting, I see a sushi bar is what it looks like. So anyway, this is at least a better picture. At least it's not somebody's license plate sitting on the back. It looks like this consumer's not getting enough from the Google business page, which is pretty common. So most likely they're going to jump over to the website and get an idea of what this place is about. So let's see. Okay, well, let's go and meet the dentist and see what we got. Okay, good. Well, at least we have a picture here. So this looks like a practice. It might have 1 staff member. I'm not really interested, so I'm going to jump out and I'm going to go to one of these ones. Let's go to this one. They got 137 reviews. Let's see what they're all about. Ah, well, that looks nice. Look, and that's an actual picture of the inside of the practice. So that's nice. That looks really professional. I could dig that. Let's check out their website and see what's going on. All right, well, there we go. We got a nice family photo here. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and see if we can find some more about the doctor. See if the doctor... here we go. Dr. Bittner. Okay, good. So good. We got some staff members here. So, and the whole team. Look at that. That's wonderful. See, I love this. I always highly recommend having these types of photos, you know, staff photos. Of course, this could be represented a lot more professionally, but from a consumer standpoint, again, going back to the beginning, we're talking about a mother who's got to decide. She's looking at options. She's looking at things. Is she going to get enough information on this website and feel confident, you know what, I'm going to call and get more data or request an appointment? I'll tell you, this website is definitely more likely than that other one. And of course, the other company that didn't even have a website, they don't even have a chance. Well, I'll tell you what, thanks for watching this video. Again, this series is about getting in the mind of the consumer, what they are talking about, what they're thinking about, and helping facilitate their decision to reach to you for service. Because let's face it, as a business, you need new clients, particularly a dental practice. You need new people to service. Without those people, you don't get referrals. Without those people, you can't keep your doors open. So make sure your dental practice is represented properly online, and you can learn all about that in detail. Just look up VPF Marketing. That's V as in Victor, P as in Peter, F as in Frank, VPF Marketing in Google. Check it out. That's an intro into what we develop and how we roll and how we make dental websites and dental online presence really effective. Thanks for watching. Until next time.